Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to safely open any short link without getting stuck in ads or unsafe pages, and I'll give you a quick review of the site at the end. Short links usually look like this, or they're used to make long URLs look smaller, but sometimes they have extra pages in between. Watch carefully for any skip or continue button. Avoid clicking random pop-ups or fake download buttons. Step 1. You have to click on the link. Now click here and wait for 5 seconds and then cut it. Scroll down and click on continue. Step 2. Wait for 10 seconds. Scroll down and click on continue again. Wait. Click on this button. Scroll down and click on next. Step 3. Wait. Scroll down. Click continue. Step 4. Wait. It will be cut automatically. Do it again. Okay, now you will automatically come to the final link. Enjoy. That's it. Safe link opening in under a minute. If you want to try this site, I put my blog link in the description. The referral is there. See you in the next video.